If you've been struggling to create AI automations because tools like N8N feel way too complicated, or you're tired of spending hours connecting different services just to get one simple workflow running, this might change everything for you. Hey guys, Alex here, and today we're diving into Google Opal, this insane AI automation tool that's currently flying under the radar. In this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, we'll build some real workflows together, and I'll give you the honest truth about its limitations. Yes, it's not perfect yet. So, Google Opal is basically like N8N, but instead of manually dragging and dropping nodes and trying to figure out complex integrations, you just talk to it, you describe what you want and it builds the entire automation schema for you. We're talking about full AI-powered systems with input elements, generator components, and smart outputs that can display data as web pages or even save directly to your Google Drive. And here's the catch, it's currently only available in certain locations like US. But with VPN you can easily try it from pretty much anywhere you like. Alright, let's put this into test. I'm typing create a workflow that looks for the latest AI news and gives me best video ideas based on those news. This would have taken some decent time to set up manually. See these individual elements? I can write custom prompts for each one. So if I want the AI generator to focus more on trending topics or format the ideas differently, I just tell it what to do in the element separately or just ask Opal to make some changes in schema. And you can choose between different Gemini models or even switch to image, video, audio or music generation models depending on what you need. Now, if you're not feeling creative, Opal comes with pre-built workflows. We've got blog post writers, YouTube learning tools, etc., covering basic scenarios you may want to automate. Now let me try something more complex to see where this thing breaks. I'm going to ask it to create workflow that will use Telegram bot to send me messages about best performing YouTube video ideas it found. And there we go. This is where we hit first Opal's major limitation. It can actually integrate with APIs not included in their API specifications, such as Telegram, Notion, etc., or access real YouTube analytics data. So we're still limited by what Google has actually built into the platform. The fact that Google is currently making tools like this, meaning that we're currently moving into the direction of no-code tools. Think about it. Instead of learning complex tools and spending hours connecting everything, you just describe what you want and the AI builds it for you. Plus, every workflow you create is shareable, so if I build something useful, I can just send you the link and you can use it immediately. What kind of automation would you build with a tool like this? Drop a comment below, I'm reading every comment. And if you found this video valuable, please hit subscribe button to see more content like this. See you in the next one.